WhatsApp is one of the most useful instant messaging apps around the world. It has definitely gotten popular over years, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install that in your desktop. Alright, so before I go ahead and go on and continue, definitely please ask you to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, I really appreciate it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do this on Windows 11. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to your Microsoft Store. So once that opens, we're going to come over here and look for WhatsApp. There you go. It's going to be that one right there, the one that says WhatsUp Desktop. Alright, make sure you select that one, WhatsUp Desktop, and it's going to say free. Make sure you go ahead and click right there where it says free, and as you can see right there, the download should start automatically, and it shouldn't take too long, approximately anywhere between 20 to 30 seconds. Alright, once it's fully downloaded, you're gonna go ahead and click right there where it says open. Alright, now what you have to do is grab your phone if you already have WhatsApp installed in your mobile device, because this particular app was first introduced to mobile devices only. Alright, but now it's definitely available for desktop as well. Alright, so if you don't have this particular app installed in your mobile device, go ahead and do that. This is available for Android as well as for iOS. Okay, so once you have it installed, go ahead and open the app in your phone. Go ahead and go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the little three dots, as you can see right there. Tap on the little three dots, and then you're gonna come down. It's gonna be the third option from top to bottom. It's gonna say link devices. Click right there, and then you're gonna click the little green button or bluish. It's gonna say link a device, and all you have to do is just go ahead and scan that code right there. And as you can see, WhatsApp, it's getting all of my conversations, and that's it. You just pretty much you pick a conversation and you're ready to go, and you can start messaging. Alright, so this particular app right here is definitely really popular all over Europe, all over Latin America, as well as in the US, all over the world. Okay, so it's free, and it's a lot better if you go ahead and just have it right there in your desktop. If you by any chance some operating systems don't have a Microsoft Store, if for whatever reason you don't have that, the only thing that you have to do is go ahead and open up your web browser and go ahead and type in WhatsUp web, as you can see that right there, and then you just go ahead and scan your code. But you know, it's definitely a lot better if you have your app right here in your desktop, and you can even go ahead and right click and then pin it to your taskbar. Okay, so that's another video brought to you by your boy Lewis. Thank you very much for watching. Take care out there. Peace out.